Every time we think mankind's family tree is complete, scientists discover another branch. Take today, when they introduced us to some new, distant cousins, as Deborah Pata shows us finding them in a South African cave.
This is Africa, a continent rich in mysteries and ancient wonders that continue to baffle even the most seasoned scientists and historians.
I suppose most surprising is what they were doing in this chamber.
From the discovery of unknown human species to hidden natural marvels, Africa's secrets have remained buried for centuries, waiting to be uncovered.
This formation is considered to be a geological feature that is volcanic in nature. However, there is still scientific mystery to it.
As renowned author Graham Hancock once suggested, our understanding of history is incomplete.
What I care about is learning the lessons of the past in order to clear away that fog that surrounds prehistory. And it's a fog because there's no documents. We have to build our picture of the past from fragmentary evidence.
And these astonishing findings only add weight to that theory. In this video, we'll take you through 20 incredible discoveries in Africa that have left the world stunned, reshaping what we know about the origins of humanity, the planet, and beyond. Homo naledi, new human species. In 2013, a group of cave explorers in South Africa stumbled upon a discovery that would rewrite the story of human evolution.
I first saw these images by my exploration team. I knew that we had to act.
Deep within the Rising Star cave system, they uncovered a treasure trove of bones belonging to a previously unknown species of human, now known as Homo naledi.
Long legs, human-like feet, really a combination that we've never seen before in the fossil record.
The excavation was no easy feat, as the narrow, jagged passageways made it nearly impossible for adults to maneuver through. A group of small, young women was recruited for the task, as they were able to fit inside the cave to retrieve the bones. What sets Homo naledi apart from other hominids is its small brain size, believed to be 1/3 the size of our own. Despite this, the species' hands and feet suggest a surprising ability to manipulate objects, leading scientists to believe that Homo naledi may have exhibited complex behaviors and even social structures. Though radiometric dating places the bones between 236,000 and 335,000 years old, the exact timeline remains unclear. How these skeletons ended up in the cave is still a mystery. Whether it was a burial ground or a deadly trap remains a matter of debate. Diving the blue hole of death. Nestled along the coast of the Red Sea in Egypt lies a natural wonder that has intrigued divers and adventurers for generations, the blue hole of Dahab. This underwater sinkhole, with depths exceeding 100 meters, is surrounded by cliffs that drop dramatically into the crystal-clear waters below. For many, diving into the blue hole is the ultimate challenge, but it comes with immense risk. Only certified, experienced divers are advised to explore its depths due to the dangers lurking beneath the surface. The blue hole's beauty is both captivating and tragic. It has claimed the lives of numerous inexperienced divers, earning it the nickname the Blue Hole of Death. Among the casualties was Yuri Lipsky, a Russian-Israeli diving instructor whose tragic death in 2000 brought the dangers of this site into the spotlight. At depths over 300 feet, divers become susceptible to nitrogen narcosis, a condition that impairs judgment, causing hallucinations and disorientation. Despite the dangers, the blue hole continues to attract thrill seekers eager to explore one of the world's most perilous dive spots, proving irresistible to those who crave the unknown. Now first, like always, be sure to hit the like button down below. It helps us out tremendously with the reach of this video. Thank you. Creepy dead trees in Dead Vlei. Deep in the heart of the Namib desert, there lies a surreal and haunting landscape, Dead Vlei. This dry, white clay pan is home to a grove of ancient dead trees, their blackened trunks reaching skyward like eerie skeletons. These trees have stood the test of time, scorched by the relentless African sun and preserved in a way that seems almost otherworldly. Yet just 900 years ago, this very area was a thriving oasis filled with life, rich in vegetation and animals. The shift from lush oasis to barren desert began when towering dunes cut off the valley's water supply, leading to the slow death of the forest. The arid climate has preserved the trees remarkably well, with little decomposition over the centuries. Today, Dead Vlei stands as a stark reminder of the harsh forces of nature and time. Photographers, filmmakers, and adventurers flock to this mystical site to capture its beauty and desolation, as the contrast between the blackened trees and the bright clay pan creates a hauntingly atmospheric scene. It's a place where the past lingers, frozen in time. Discovery of a new continent and ocean. In the Afar region of Ethiopia, one of the most significant geological phenomena on Earth is unfolding: the splitting of the African continent. For millions of years, the African plate has been slowly tearing apart, and the Afar region sits right at the center of this seismic activity. This region, located at the junction of three tectonic plates, the Nubian, Arabian, and Somalian plates, is one of the most active areas on the planet. Magma from the Earth's mantle is continually rising to the surface, giving rise to volcanoes, geysers, and hot springs, creating a dramatic landscape. In 2005, a 35-mile-long rift opened up in the Afar region, signifying the beginning of the African continent split. This split, more than 50 feet deep and 65 feet wide, is a visible testament to the tectonic forces at work. Scientists predict that millions of years from now, this rift will expand, eventually forming a new ocean that will separate East Africa from the Arabian Peninsula. This event could create new coastlines, with countries like Kenya and Uganda potentially gaining a shoreline, further reshaping the geography of the continent. Dinosaur unearthed in Zimbabwe. In the remote wilderness of Zimbabwe, scientists made a groundbreaking discovery in 2017 and 2019: Africa's oldest dinosaur, Emberosaurus rothi. This small herbivorous dinosaur roamed the Earth over 230 million years ago during the Jurassic period, marking a significant leap in paleontological studies. The fossils were uncovered by a team of researchers in the southern part of Zimbabwe, a region previously thought to be devoid of significant prehistoric remains. Named after the local Shona language where the fossils were found, Emberosaurus rothi provides a rare glimpse into Africa's prehistoric past. This dinosaur, measuring around 6 feet in length and weighing roughly 60 pounds, had a slender body and a long neck, which helped it reach vegetation in places other dinosaurs couldn't access. The discovery sheds light on the diversity of life in ancient Africa, suggesting that the region once supported a rich variety of dinosaurs. As exploration continues, scientists are hopeful that even more fossils will be uncovered, revealing further insights into the prehistoric world and the evolutionary timeline of life on the continent. Eye of the Sahara and the Lost City of Atlantis. The reshaped structure, also known as the Eye of the Sahara, is one of Africa's most fascinating and enigmatic geological formations. Located in the vast Sahara Desert of Mauritania, this circular structure spans approximately 50 kilometers in diameter and is so large that it can be seen from space. At its center, a raised plateau rises more than 600 feet above the surrounding desert, surrounded by concentric rings of rock that form a stunning bullseye pattern. Scientists believe that the formation resulted from volcanic activity and erosion over millions of years, but its exact origins remain a mystery. Some have speculated that the reshaped structure could be the remnants of the fabled lost city of Atlantis, as described by the Greek philosopher Plato. Though there is no concrete evidence to support this theory, the structure's unique shape and its alignment with certain celestial bodies have fueled this speculation. Whether a natural geological feature or the remains of a long-lost civilization, the reshaped structure continues to captivate scientists and explorers alike, raising questions about Africa's ancient history and the secrets it may still hold. Alien sky blue stones. In Sierra Leone, West Africa, a fascinating mystery emerged in 1990 when Italian geologist Angelo Pittoni acquired a collection of strange blue stones from a Fula chief. According to local legend, the stones were a gift from extraterrestrial visitors who descended from the sky. Unlike any minerals previously known to science, these blue stones intrigued Pittoni so much that he sent samples to research laboratories in Europe for analysis. What followed shocked scientists. The stone's unique composition could not be explained by any known natural mineral formation. When broken down into fine particles and examined under a microscope, the blue color disappeared, leaving no trace. Even extreme heat or acid couldn't alter the stones. Pittoni called them the Stone of Heaven, a reference to their otherworldly appearance. While some believe they may hold secrets from an ancient civilization, others wonder if they truly are a gift from extraterrestrials. Their origin remains a captivating mystery. Unidentified heads discovered in Leidenberg. In 1957, a young boy in Leidenberg, South Africa, made a discovery that would change the understanding of Iron Age art in the region. While playing on his father's farm, he stumbled upon strange fragmented pottery pieces. These pieces led to the discovery of the Leidenberg heads, a series of 7 remarkable artifacts that became some of the earliest examples of Iron Age sculpture in southern Africa. The fragmented heads were reconstructed at the University of Cape Town. 6 of the heads depict human features, while the 7th has animalistic traits. Carbon dating placed them around 490 AD and suggests they were used for ceremonial purposes. The holes found in the smaller heads indicate they were likely attached to poles or costumes for rituals. Today, these remarkable heads are displayed at the South African Museum in Cape Town, offering insight into early Iron Age culture. Africa, with its hidden treasures and mind-boggling discoveries, continues to rewrite the history of our world. From ancient human species to geological marvels and extraordinary relationships with nature, these 20 discoveries remind us that there is still so much we don't know about our planet's past. As scientists and explorers continue to peel back the layers of time, who knows what other astonishing secrets await us? One thing is for certain: Africa's mysteries are far from over. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the unknown. We'll see you in the next video where more hidden wonders await.